Hello buddy, and welcome to this video where we're now going to take a look at how we can import our own base mesh here. So in the previous video we looked at how we can bring in standard primitives or tools that are already part of Zbrush. So in order to bring in our own mesh here, you may be looking along the menus thinking, is there a file or import option? And then you may notice over here we have this load and save tool. And so load tool is we can load tools that have already been created by Zbrush themselves. So we have, say for instance, one of these. Let's just import any one of these, and you can see that we have the Zbrush mail head. Okay, so there's the mail head. We have the save tool, which will allow us to save the Z tool back out. Now if we want to import our own and not import one that has already been created by Zbrush, we need to go ahead and choose this button here that says import. So I'm going to click this and we will be presented with the browser here. So let's go ahead and browse to the location of our file. So here is the location of the file that I'm going to import, and once we do that, let's choose open. We can see that the file has been imported. Now we can also see that we also have these other pieces of geometry here, and this is from the last mesh. So what I need to do is I need to go into subtools, and we can go ahead, select this and choose delete. So once we've done that, we have deleted the leftovers from the other mesh there. And so every time we import a mesh and that mesh has multiple models, then it will appear inside the subtools. But we're not going to go over that just now. So here we see we have the base mesh, and this is just a model that I've created, and you can see that it is following the polygon flow of the model that I have, for example, over here in Max. Okay, so whenever you are importing or going to import a base mesh into Zbrush, it is important that you import it at its lowest possible resolution and with the best and most equal distance in polygons. And the reason for this is that when we subdivide this, we want to be able to get an equal amount of resolution inside each one of these polygons when we subdivide them. So when we are going to add further detail into our model, then we're not going to end up with some weird artifacting issues. Okay, so that's the basics of importing our mesh. In the next video, we're going to take a look at how we can start to subdivide this model and apply some basic sculpting to it. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.